No, in the night ward. The lower night ward.
Oh, so you gonna catch the Desire or some shit?
No,
the Louisa?
No.
Why don't you catch the Louisa bus?
The hell with catching the Louise. I'm catching either the Galvin or the St. Cloud.
What's wrong with the what's wrong with the other bus? What's wrong with the Louisa?
Nothing. I don't want to wait for the bus in that neighborhood. You know, because I don't trust that neighborhood, especially at night.
No, I'm not talking about.
What?
I'm talking about right there, the bus stop right there.
I know. Because
how are you gonna be waiting at night then? You gonna be at the bus stop where I'm at?
I know, but I'm not getting on the Louisa.
Why?
Because if I get on the Louisa, I have to catch another.
Oh.
You idiot!
Why you that?
I said the Lord night one, you dummy.
Oh, the Lord night one.
Oh,
Louisa's Louisa's
jackass. Jackass. He on.
Great Kelly.
All right.